So ayun ang mga ka-sports, Region 4A Staraa versus Region 11 Dabraa. What a intense game mga ka-sports, dahil alam naman natin na ang Davao Eagles ay isa sa pinakamalakas na koponan sa palarong pambansa. Pero grabe, na-outplayed sila ng Region 4A. Sa unang quarter hanggang papuntang second quarter, halos hype na hype ang Davao Eagles at mismong coach ng Region 4A ay parang hindi niya natanggap ang pagka-hype ng Davao Eagles. Pero pagdating ng third to fourth quarter, binanatan ng puro 3-point shot ang Davao Eagle ng Region 4A. Yan tuloy, tinambakan sila at sabi ni Coach Jess ng Davao Eagle is big loss talaga ang pagka-injured ng ilan sa kanyang mga player, especially ang kanyang kulang na piece sa kanyang player na kung saan ay na-injured pa. Habang di pa natatapos ang labanan ng dalawang koponan nito ay ang crowd ay dahan-dahan nang umuwi at parang nadismaya. At ang Davao Eagles ay parang naiyak sa kanilang pagkatalo at ang Region 4A is talagang masasabi nating tears of joy dahil nakuha nila ang gold medal. Halika tignan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
And Davao will try to run here.
Looks like we have a technical foul against Southern Tagalog.
One of Davao's best when it comes to shooting.
Paterbonia gives it up to Maki Pellegrino. An outstanding first half so far for him, but he needs to step it up as they're only up by two. Three-pointer, good.
First three for Maki, second one for Davao Region. Nakakascore naman si Derek Duterte. He's been defended well, but we want to see him.
Boys basketball tournament.
Moment here for Derek Duterte, hailing from Antipolo Rizal.
12 to shoot para dito kang Mayor ng Calabarzon inside to Duterte against Paterbonia, battling his way and scores.
Duterte again with a basket. But Maki
Beats Valencia, top turnaround shot, gets it to go. And Calabarzon now has the lead.
Position 1-1-2, what a block! Pangalawang block na yon.
Mamawa on a fast break, he takes it. The tip is up and in from Valencia.
The away team has used a three from Aaron and knocks it down off the bench. The magic bunot.
We go the other way, Palanigan. Nice feed and San Diego with the bucket.
On your screen, who is out with a hairline foot fracture. A big loss for Dabraa.
Palanigan for three straight away, hits it. And a chance for a 4-point
game. Panaligan with a big free throw here.
Para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes. 2:11 to go. Knocks the ball game is also streamlined. Cross-court pass, almost knocked away. Mayor for three on the way, got it to fall.
Long three at
He drives, he puts it up, and the first bucket in the second half for the Eagles.
time. Here's a three. Tight corner, doesn't matter. San Diego. Foul.
At may isa-shoutout pala ako. Gusto kong isa-shoutout to maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating live stream sa J Project Sports.
Luwage on the free. Yung gameplay, yung teamwork, yung strategy ng Calabarzon, they're executing it well, just like
Taligan pulls up, jumper, banks it in off the glass.
Panaligan big time.
And of course, shoutout natin sa ating mga kababayan sa Agusan del Sur and the rest. Back-to-back gold medals in high school boys basketball. That's match against Maki Pellegrino. Duterte, the kick out. Three on the way. Got it from Panaligan as he silences.
Will be a different tiers for Davao to, as it's all a different school. So,
Itong Davao Eagles, Ron.
exact.
So ayun na mga ka-sports, napagandang match-up between Davao Eagle versus Calabarzon Hero, Region 4A versus Region 11. Nagtapos po ang laro sa 79, no? Panalo po ang Calabarzon. Ikaw mga ka-sports, ano pong masasabi ninyo sa gameplay nila ngayon? Worth it ba ang kanilang panalo? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong uploads. God bless us all. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, Habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!